Just uploaded my video. Now what? How can I make people to watch my video? Is there anything that I can do so my topic will reach to the right audience? How can I rank my video higher? Is that possible? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to tag your video in order to get a higher rank to increase your view status. I am a small YouTuber, and so far with this technique, I was able to reach a number of audience regardless of my volume of traffic. Anybody can do this, so just go along with the flow and follow my ways of using tags in the video. First things first, you need to download a software or an extension to Google Chrome. You heard it right, an extension in Google Chrome. And that is Tubebuddy.com. This is a tool where you can get to see how your video ranks to other people's video, or you would say competition. It is very helpful, and I suggest that you go ahead and do it now ASAP. I already downloaded mine, so I will be skipping that process. There are ways to download either from a regular browser, or you go to Google and then you type Tubebuddy, and you can get a lot of information or a lot of links from there from that. Or you can just type in an extension to Google Chrome, then it will give you some links to the site. And once you get to the site, it will tell you if you want to download it, and it depends on your device or what you are using. So just make sure that you chose your right specification of your unit or your device. Once you signed up and ready to go, this is what looks like on top of your screen. Okay, so there is like an icon on top in red before your name or your avatar. We say icon, right? Your name or your picture that tells you that you are already set, and it is set up properly because it does show, okay, and it should be looking like this. Okay, now let's proceed to the video. So you have to sign in your information. Okay, so I am logging in. Once I am on my page, on the top right, you can see my icon there, and I will just go to YouTube Studio. Okay, so just remember that, YouTube Studio, and then it will show from here. And what you're gonna do is find your video. So I'm typing Shawil here, and this is what I want to do, and I want to edit this video. So I go here from here, and then I will gonna go down, scroll over down on my video. This is very fast, but it should be in the detail section, and then you scroll down until you see tags. Okay, and as you can see on the screen, right, I have like the red icon on top, right? The red there, what how you call that icon from Tubebuddy, and then on the middle you can see it here. Then first thing is I have to see YouTube first, what our competition looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and type in Shawil and see what I can find it here. So I can see Shawil eyeliner from here, some brow gel, and yeah, so I'm just trying to look at here what I can see, and I'm just making a guess. So I type in maybe Shawil eyeliner pen review, like that, or Shawil eyeliner. So I'm really choosing like guessing, and this will give me an idea on like what to write on my tag. So actually I'm just like testing, trial and error, really. Okay, so first thing here, I type in Cebu liquid eyeliner, or it does show, right? So, and then when it uploaded, nothing on that, doesn't show any ranking or anything. Okay, so and then at the bottom I see liquid eyeliner Philippines. I think that would like a synonym for the keyword eyeliner, so I just make it like a tag from there. And I have redundancy in here in this tag, so I will be like reviewing stuff and deleting stuff. Okay, and also in my description I want to make sure that I have that name, like my title and my description is the same, as well as at the bottom my tags, it should be there like the same, so you can see I am top one, right? So now I'm gonna go ahead back again to that competition thing, which I can see what I can find, and then I just take it from there. I know I'm very fast right here because I've been doing this several times but I just really make a guess, like whatever is showing on top, then I will write it. Okay, and so I'm gonna go back and then say, okay, maybe show eyeliner pen review. Okay, then when I'm done I will go to Google. Okay, so Google is my favorite because there's so many things that you can find there that it's not in YouTube. Okay, so I can see shell eyeliner there, and then what else is related to it? Nothing. And maybe it should be like maybe the title of my video. Since I already have the shell eyeliner, maybe I can do my the whole title of my video. So I will type in ultra fine eyeliner, right? Because that's my the type of eyeliner that I use. So then I can see pen. Okay, so let's see, and then so I'm gonna go back again and just type in because I deleted it. Anyway, gonna go back again and see what I can find. All right, so eyeliner pen. So I think that would be like similar to my video. So from there, I already have like ultra fine eyeliner, and I get me to rank 1, but I didn't have any like pen on that, so I will type in Chevelle ultra fine eyeliner pen, and then we'll see what it come up with. Okay, nothing, so I have to like delete something that is irrelevant probably. So I'm really doing like back and forth from here, and then I decided to delete one, and let's see, so it got me to rank 1, right? Because this is a new item, so every time you have a new item, you will always be on top of everything. Okay, that's the rule. So every time a company or a brand releases a product, you will always be number 1 because no one is reviewing it, but it's a good thing, right? So people can probably somehow get to your channel and say, oh, what is that product, right? So that would be like an interesting topic for your site, so that's my like a tip too. Okay, so now I'm doing like just similar like related on what, and then I have like exceeded the the keys, right? So when I deleted something, and then it get me to number 1. So basically guys, that's what I've been doing, back and forth, Google and then YouTube, and see what I can find from competition. And Google is what people are trying to search, and that's where I get all the rankings there. So I really make sure that I have a rank from 1 to at least 1 to 10, okay, from each of my video. And if that I don't have any ranks, somehow that video will not really gonna make it, or my RPM would somehow be not so good with that video. So this will end my video. I hope you like this video, and I hope this give you some insights on what to do with your video in the future. And if you have questions or any recommendations or anything else, just comment down below. If you like this video, please give this a thumbs up. Share to your friends if this video is very helpful. And subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll be talking to you soon. Bye!